previous class, we saw about the basics of equations and the method to solve linear equations with integer coefficients. Today, we'll learn to solve number problem by constructing the equation and then solving it. So, constructing and solving equations. So, as the name indicates construct, we have to design the equation and then solve it. So, look at this question. A person called Ahmed says, I think of a number. So, we don't know what number he thinks. And add 7 to that number and multiply everything by 4. And the answer we get is 12. So what is my number? So we have to find out what number he is thinking of. So let us take this number, which we don't know as n, and add 7 to it and multiply everything by 4. So put a bracket and multiply by 4. And that will give you the answer 12. So now we have to find out this n. So n plus 7 is inside a bracket which is multiplied by 4. So we can use the distributive property here. So applying distributive property, we distribute 4 inside the brackets, which is 4 multiplied with n gives you 4n, and 4 multiplied with 7 gives you 28, that is equal to 12. So let us keep the n term one side and take the numbers the other side. So 4n is kept in the left hand side and 12, this 28 which is in positive, when it comes to the next side it becomes negative minus 28. So 4n equal to 12 minus 28 will give you 16. So n equal to minus 16, and this 4 which is in multiplication, when it comes the next side becomes division. So therefore n is equal to minus 16 divided by 4, cancelling we get minus 4. So the number he thought was n equal to minus 4. So we can check whether this number is correct by substituting in the equation minus 4 plus 7. Okay, let us check whether the answer n equal to minus 4 is right or not. So substitute in the equation minus 4 plus 7 and multiplied with 4. So minus 4 plus 7 will give us plus 3 and multiplied with 4 will give the answer 12. So let us see with another example. I think of a number. So again this number is not known. And multiply it by 9 and subtract 10. The answer is 53. So let us take this as n, the number we don't know, and multiply it by 9 and subtract 10. That is equal to 53. So n multiplied with 9 can be written as 9n minus 10 equal to 53. So let us keep the n term one side and take the numbers the other side. 9n equal to 53, and this minus 10 which comes on the other side becomes plus 10. Hence 9n equal to 53 plus 10 gives us 63, and n equal to 9 which is in multiplication, when it comes the other side becomes division. So 63 by 9, and the answer is 7. So let us check whether the answer is right or not. So substitute in the equation 7 into 9 minus 10. So 7 9s is 63 and minus 10 will give us 53. So let us see this sum. A number has 7 subtracted from it and the result is multiplied by 3. So the number, we take it as n and subtract 7 from it. So n minus 7, and the result is multiplied by 3. So the whole is multiplied by 3, and that is equal to, the answer is the same as doubling the number. So doubling is, we make 2n, subtracting 15, so minus 15, and then doubling again. So which means it is multiplied with 2. So what is the number? N minus 7 into 3, we apply the distributive property. So 3 multiplied with n gives us 3n, and 3 with 7 gives us minus 21. That is equal to 2 multiplied with 2n gives 4n, and 2 with minus 15 gives us minus 30. So let us bring all the n terms one side and the numbers other side. So 3n and 4n, which is in positive, when it comes the other side becomes negative. So minus 4n equal to minus 30 is kept here, and 21, which is in negative, when it comes the other side becomes positive. So 3n minus 4n gives us minus 1n, and minus 30 and plus 21 gives us minus 9. So minus 1n equal to minus 9, which can be written as n equal to, since both sides have negative, we can cancel, and n equal to 9. So let us check whether the answer we have got is right or not. So substitute in the equation 9 minus 7 multiplied with 3 equal to 2 into 9 minus 15 multiplied with 2. So 9 minus 7 is 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 9s are is 18 minus 15 multiplied with 2. So 2 3s are gives us 6 equal to 18 minus 15 gives us 3 into 2. So 6 equal to 6. So both sides are equal. Okay. The next sum is 9 times a number has 1 subtracted from it. So 9 times a number, which means 9n has 1 subtracted from it. So minus 1. The result is tripled. So it is multiplied with 3. And that is equal to, the answer is the same if you add 7 to twice the number, which is twice the number is 2n, and we are adding 7 to it. And then multiply the result by 7. So now again apply the distributive property. So 3 with multiplied 9n gives us 27n. 3 and minus 1 gives minus 3. That is equal to 7 multiplied with 2n gives 14n. And 7 7s are gives us 49. So bring the n terms one side and the numbers the other side. So 27n and 14n, which is in positive, when it comes the other side becomes negative. So minus 14n, that is equal to 49. And 3, which is in negative, when it comes to the other side becomes plus 3. So 27n minus 14n gives 13n. That is equal to 49 plus 3 gives 52. So 13n equal to 52. We keep the n term the left side and bring 13, which is in multiplication, to the other side, hence becomes negative. division. So 52 divided by 13, the end term equal to 4. In today's class, we saw how to construct a linear equation and then solve the linear equations.